all eyes are set on the FOMC meeting that is kicking off tonight. In fact, a majority of analysts are penciling in a 25 basis point rate cut this time around. My colleague Anisha Jain is here with the details of what else to expect from the last meeting of this year. Anisha, this is going to be the last meeting under Biden's presidency as well. So what are the big expectations so far as the markets are concerned?
Well, yes, it's not just about what they did today, what they do today with respect to the rate action and the 25 basis point cut that the street is expecting. It's more to do with the 2025 projections, because this time around the dot plot would be adjusted and the street is watching out for what kind of rate cut expectations should they have for 2025. And that's why this meeting is going to be very, very crucial, because now the expectation is with Donald Trump 2.0 coming into play, it could be a shallower rate cut cycle. So whether the number of rate cuts in 2025 is put down from 4 to a lower level, or there is an expectation of perhaps having it a bit more shallow, protracted towards the later half of the year, all of that is something that the street will be keenly watching out for. Also, the estimates on inflation as well as growth is something to watch out for. Inflation continues to be a bit sticky. It has come off meaningfully from the highs, but it's still far away from the tolerable level that Fed has been talking about. And the growth expectations also might be just revised a bit, given the kind of geopolitics which is coming at play. So that's the reason this meeting becomes very, very crucial, because this is just ahead of Trump 2.0 rally happening on January 20th, when he takes over as the President of the United States of America. Now, this meeting is coming at a time when the job market has remained quite robust at this point of time. We have seen that inflation has remained stubbornly above the 2% annual rate mark, and the rationale for cutting rates has diminished right now. Over the last couple of meetings, we have seen consecutive rate cuts happening. The first one was large, that 50 basis point cut happening. Second one was 25 basis point. We're expecting another 25 basis point today. But if you look at the expectations for early next year, if you go by the probability, right now street is expecting only 15 to 20% chance of a rate cut happening early next year as well. So perhaps this is going to be one of the crucial ones to watch out for. So that's what we're watching out for. And of course, the proof of the pudding will be in the commentary as to what Fed chair has to say in the press conference, and then we'll have the analysts and experts decode it word by word, and we'll get you the latest on that. But yes, the most important event of the evening today.